Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll show you exactly how to factory reset your Vizio TV, even if you don't have the remote. Whether your TV is frozen, lagging, or you're selling it and want a clean slate, this guide will walk you through every step safely and easily. Let's get started. Step 1. Locate the physical buttons. Every Vizio TV comes with a few essential buttons built right onto the TV itself, usually on the left-hand side, the bottom edge, or the back panel. These buttons are typically labeled power, input, and volume down. These are all you need for a full factory reset without using the remote. If you're having trouble finding them, shine a small flashlight along the edge of your TV. You'll notice tiny embossed symbols for each button. Step 2. Power on the TV. Once you've found the buttons, press the power button to turn your TV on. Wait for the Vizio logo to appear, and make sure your TV screen lights up normally. If your TV isn't turning on, first check that the power cable is firmly connected to both the outlet and the back of the TV. Try a different outlet if needed, or unplug and replug the cable securely. If you still see a black screen or it feels unresponsive, unplug the TV from power for at least 30 seconds, then plug it back in and power it on again. This quick restart clears temporary glitches and ensures your TV responds properly before you start the reset process. Step 3. Initiate factory reset. Now, here's the most important step. Press and hold the volume down and input buttons on your TV at the same time, and keep holding them for about 10 to 15 seconds. After a few seconds, you'll see a message on the screen that says, "To reset to factory defaults, press the input button for 10 seconds. When you see that, release both buttons, and then press and hold the input button again until the screen goes black and your TV restarts. That means your reset process has started successfully. Step 4. Wait for the reset process. Now be patient. This part takes a little time. Once the TV restarts, it begins wiping all previous settings, user data, apps, and connections. You'll see the Vizio logo appear again, and then the original setup screen, just like when you first unboxed your TV. Depending on your model, this may take 1 to 3 minutes, so don't unplug or power off during this step. Once it's done, you'll be guided through the initial setup process where you can reconnect Wi-Fi, sign into your streaming apps, and customize your picture and sound settings again. It's basically a brand new start for your TV. Step 5. Alternative. Use the SmartCast app. If your TV's buttons are broken or it's wall-mounted and hard to reach, there's another option. Download the Vizio SmartCast Mobile App from the App Store or Google Play. Connect your smartphone and TV to the same Wi-Fi network. Then use the app as a virtual remote. In the app, go to Settings System Reset and Admin Reset TV to Factory Defaults. This performs the exact same reset using your phone. And that's it. Your Vizio TV is now completely reset and ready for a fresh start. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment below what other Vizio tips or tutorials you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.